Who's ready for some Monday Night NFL Week 1 in September 2024? Check this out. If you're looking for what's over here, follow this. You can get it too. First things first, guys, check out our Amazon Fire TV stick on how to get these great applications. Head to the search icon and download a program called Downloader. Just type in DOW and it should pop right up there. Click on it. If you don't already own it, get it and install it. Prior to opening it, head to the home screen. This is where we get to jailbreak our Amazon Fire TV stick. We don't jailbreak it, we just enable an option to let it sideload applications onto your Fire Stick. So head over to the right side under the settings, little icon, come down to My Fire TV. If you don't already have developer options listed, click on About with your select button on your remote, and then under Fire TV stick here, select it about 7 to 10 times, and then it comes up me. No need, I'm already a developer. And now you are too. And back out and head to Developer Options. Under Developer Options, install unknown apps, and then turn on Downloader. This gives Downloader the ability to sideload applications that may not be available on the Fire TV stick. Head back to your home screen. Head to the 3 squares plus sign, your games and icon, your games and your apps and games icon. And you come down, find Downloader, hit the 3-line button on your remote and move it to the front. And now this is a shortcut and you can do this with all your applications. Downloader's up front and center. Click on Downloader. Allow it to access photos, media, and files on your device. Click OK on Allow, and then read through the quick start guide and click OK. Once we're in here, we're going to type in a shortcut 370178. It's a shortcut to the led by the unknown web page to get these awesome applications on your device. Once the little 5-second redirect is done, use the 3-line button on your remote and add current page to the favorites. This allows you to just hit the favorites bar on the left and make your way to the web page. Now guys, this download page has a couple video tutorials and applications for you to download that you would probably enjoy. Some top 5s and whatnot. They'll pop up here, guys. Get out your phone, scan this QR code, and get yourself up to 86% off and 5 free months on Surfshark VPN. Head on down to the sports section. In our second application here, click on it. And we can download this awesome app so you can watch Monday Night NFL. Click on the download link. Click on install. And hit done. Don't open the file yet. We need to delete the APK file. And then delete. Now your app is ready to be viewed. So you can head back to the home screen. Under that, your apps and games icon. Find your app. Move it to the front. And you can do it over and over and over again. And enjoy. Happy streaming.